also Nansane Efa NDC. Ene aban ene honsem. Abrantie bi efre no se Obama a wo pokuase. Na abrantie ni ye MPP ni o ye serial caller. Na osa e fight ma MPP pa. Oyoma social media omo ye loud pa te se fa MPP ho a omo defend it. Sa brantie no emre bi 2022 a allegation eba ye se Jo Mahama ama me bribe $2,000 no. Sa brantie we eye me femfram wo mframem social media bia ye de bi to am wahu de course oba Facebook a ye de to aba behwe the way as brantie no eye me oye me pa in fact oyemi pa is not easy. Ochrochro nyoma basa fa me ho. E friend say Obama pokuase. Inti asem ni bi wo ho a enye no kore but okan. Oba Facebook a ye de ato. At that time or say at that time na MPP force me NDC ni no sabre no 2022. Now can be an MPP forcing me NDC ni Joma Hama mam $2,000 and one same babsa. Inti nyoma bi say no troye or say when a corrupt minded pro NDC journalist takes $2,000 bribe to denigrate innocent people on radio, his own party members will expose him. It was a sabre no I know be a cabino say we dear me katashi send me and I may bribe. Na John Mahama mam $2,000 and I sabi me say Crofodi na me say MPP into we there Miami party members according to him no Abbas ne appear stadium ne hwan Miami party member because according to MPP ni there me NDC card bearing member bepem ne kra no nkofo susu say NDC nkra me a card bearing member just say me call me no mo an eda form eye bibia eye normal eno sa kan ba ku bi fa kosoro ma me o share comment na che se nkofo stre mi ankasa che se me ho abasem se ye kan the other one no so fato so me ka sema moa maka bibi I say only $2,000 cheap NDC journalist gracious me nes according to him no na me so cheap say John Mahama bema misika just $2,000 a pay nes me cheap me obi a che se me cheap and when you friend disinformation na you cut disinformation na disinformation yes say obuapa eka asema eye entro na wadwempɔ ne sɛ wopɛ wode gu nipa n'anim ase ɛsɛe nipa no ɛno ne yɛfrɛ no disinformation ɛno deɛ wonim sɛ ɛnyɛ nokorɛ but wohyɛ daa ka ma nipa ahu sɛ sei na nipa no teɛ nti MPP foɔ hyɛ aseɛ ɛna yɛ boycott ɛna NDC saa no problem na deɛ nti a mede ba ne sɛ saa aberanteɛ wei wakɔka biribi atia IGP ɔse etuo bebree bi wɔ system ni mu a IGP onim na adwuma a wɔyɛ na saa tuo na ekuta no de wa wɔsi twa ɔhyɛ etuo ni bi because nkɔfoɔ bi hyehyɛ etuo no ɛna ɔno nso hyɛ sɛ saa tuo wei ni ate sɛ ɛwowɔ wɔ system no na IGP no ɔte hɔ a wɔyɛ den enti nsɛm na ɔkaeɛ no sɛ wo readi na wotie a ɛbɛyɛ w'adwen sɛ asɛ IGP wada ɛna asɛ wɔ support sɛ nkɔfoɔ bi mfatuo ɛnyɛ nneɔma basa enti wɔhyɛ yɛ ne saa no ɛno ahomakye ne ɛnya nkra sɛ polisifoɔ akɔakɔbu sɛ Obama poku ase ne dan muntie o aberanteɛ no a yɛka ne ho asɛm no wakasa atia me wagu m'anim ase pɛn wadifame me anka mɛtumi de no akɔ court because ɛnyɛ nokorɛ but ɛno ahomakye polisifoɔ kɔbu ne dan adan a wahyɛ information bi Kofi kenkan ma me na me bi a de mpɛ sɛ meka no maka
We free Ghana Police Service also police statement on the arrest of Daniel Adomako, Prince Ofori, and 2 others. The Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other security agencies, I deny reference to my main kind of meha. My main kind of meha say. Abba, okay. All
right, the Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other security agencies, has arrested Mr. Daniel Adomako, known as social media as Seuba Mopokwasi, earlier today.
Yeah.
Chichimwe.
And to us, Nana, Prosifo, Omone, Eya Bambo, Jumeku, Ahodobia, Akako, Mwabuma, Umetumiache, Eye, Ura Daniel Adomako, I don't know idea or didn't know social media, so yes, Obama Pukiasi. Night Enra, no more Kahwa.
His arrest is part of ongoing intelligence led operations by the police and other security agencies aimed at dismantling networks involved in illegal possession and display of sophisticated weapons.
Etinana ose chia omachi no ejina aprosifo eye entie ni hunu omo ehunu ede afa eye etuo ene akodie bia na womo en se se eye Obama ene na pamfu bia womu susu se omonam entertain fide su dansa akodie no ene sa eye enoma no edinti eno entina onomo de akochi no nana.
All right. Now, I'll say these operations which have been on, he said he's assisting investigation into some images and videos he circulated on social media depicting individuals openly brandishing these illegally acquired sophisticated weapons.
Nana, I'll say, Omo Ancheno Kwa, Omo Cheneso Mebua Nan Shishemu, Efa, Eye, Infobia, or Dan, Edini, Eye Casafuni, Ahudu be videos bia, and also any nam social media, no swan, Kofubi Kahwa, now one mukura etubrania, one more Dan Danwa, Edidi, him, Ewosa, Casafuni, na eno intino fan almost Mebua Nan Shishemu and Koso.
All right. Now, can we see the other ones now, mature mono?
And I'll say these operations, which have been ongoing for several weeks, have led to the significant retrieval of substantial number of illegal arms and ammunition. I'll say, and yet no more chassis. Omo chassis is an issue. We are Namasukra Masanishim, no Metimia, Akondia who do nibi. Kura achin, Tisa Obama, the no Bekanwa, Momushimuno, to me, Akona, Enona, Prissy for the Abba.
Now, dear, me person me can was sad the way huni. Yera John Mahama, Wadaruma. She say, Nano and Ramekai say, and Yoma Papa be brain na woye. Na to de be a dear ma or mine no bufu, ba kone se, a kwanya a bind sa, say yen national security, and now police for Omofasu yo munyoma. A brantier no a share photo and na video. Ye invite no. Me say abrante waka bibia tia me pen but ekwanya national security ni police for ekobu ni dan te se oye kromfo no aden waye den police for person busa waye den wa share ade bia ankoyi se me ka bibi na ankoyi a yemfa tuo emegina me so ebu me dan because yese waka bibi na sebi mo say wa share photo ana image bia ekyerese nkrofo bi ekutekute tuo no abo IGP dia enya no ane se we invite ne se Obama we na bia wo eho asemka enti bra ne ni ho nkomo they do that recently America police for ho asem no empanyifo a omo police omo frɛ me omo ahunahuna mi o America police for ni MTTD for no police command omo frɛ me omo ehunahuna me domi ya ne say nana wadaruma unya bre a eya bra ne ani nkomo sa no mo kai very professional obi ani wo intimidate me police for were very professional nana asem na wo ka no ehun hia pa ntimpacho eya bra ono kra wo frɛ me anytime bi obefrɛ kra na me say me kyira de but onya abotre obefrɛ me MTT the police commander Orabuadi obefrɛ me na anytime nana unyambai enra kra na ne yeka efa OA Express no ofra driver no owie was afrɛ me ma me driver ni di nkomo. This is the professionalism I talk about in police. Inti se wa So Obama aka bibi ana wahye bibi na enkoya. Police, why do you go and attack him? Muko buni dancer, please get me those kind of pictures. Mamo nyane sa yera joma hama and your papa bebre awo ye say abo se na nyoma na kata. Eso akata. And then this week, Crofro Market. Mrantia wo say obabe 200 worker yemfa mrantia hwe Crofro mrantia o mani agye a omo ye adwuma o Crofro Market. Eni je bebre na nkofo ka ho asem. A young bridge. Oh, young wajuma, and no, your baby can want some, and your papa wooye. Phase 2, Ukusu ye juma kama. What ya say? And your mother brave, papa na wooye. And masan your ma way, and be yama afe, is the sea becasan your mapano, nafi ye case, and a police for, and a national security for. Listen, problem na yenti min can say. National security ne, police for no, ebinimu wɔ hɔ a full soldiers ne dɔɔso na no emrepemema ba bɛka ɛkwan yɛ yɛfa so recruit soldiers any police any national security no ayɛ amanyɔsɛm too much enti abranteɛ ne ba na adwene ekuta ne nyinaa yɛ fie adwene ɛnyɛ security adwene me sɛ ɛka biem saa police ne soldiers na yɛde ayɛ MPP ni NDC a wobɛkɔ no na nipa no kwa wase minister we na de mbai MP we enti okwa trimude on sheda nya adwuma enti wuja na oye hey ti se sabi kurasi ni bia asa wabo na wakuta tuo na odi hurehura nkrofo na se Obama waka bibia okoye ne dai wa she bibi ntifa kobu ne dai enya ni bie munyai police saa nyoma na moye ye no IGP se obi Bawudi na ontiasia. Don't use because you are IGP. Never will be and the man a juma. Invite the person. If the person is resisting arrest, then you can handle the person. I disagree with the approach. Sir Obama is good here didn't court. They are court to be money bill. Because information say misinformation ye wakwaya ye faso ye no. Yen central for see ka bibi na enkoya emra no hye ye de wo se ye de ye enti se me na Jantuah na multimedia ye ka bibi na ankoya ye mfatuo ye wo system aye no ye wo national media commission wo ho national media commission na hwe ye nyina ye so enti police ni ntimi ma no aba be hey enya dwuma saa because ye wo Ghana ha no ye practice what we call libertarian and social responsibility theory kind of press. And then I may baba chere unyoma be na bi no ate Ghana ye concept na se. Sebi ye ni South Korea, any North Korea, any Russia. Na sebi obi ka bibia na wanka ne ye na wontia na di tuo any macho akotwe na se. So obika bibi na o publish bibi a enkoya ye de emra no yambu nipa no yemfa hey police na akoka we na yi say ne ye bebo enya ni bie saa nyoma na ene security e ya adwene security nyama twosem e ya adwene. You have to be very professional, and these are all part of the ethics of the profession. My mention of Ghana baby ye work quickly.
Come on! Nhyira 104.5
Kofi
Nana
say oye communication
yeah
ade ba kwa ye communication okusua communication ye betrel e wo mass communication mu
sure
ye bibi e friend of press theory
sure
na press theory no ye nkrofo be miensa bi ena keka bo mu
yeah
ena omude saa adwempone baaye ba ko ne e friend Sibet ba ko ne e friend Peterson ena ba ko ne e friend Shram na Sibet Peterson Shram ena omude saa adwempone baaye ena omu kire se ye won tichemu be enan na saa nan no e kire oman bia ne ekwan a insemtrofo adwuma no the way sitie
so omo culture of journalism ne sa no man
ekwan a omo faso yo
omo central adwuma
yeah Enti yembra Facebook ene da ho no. Oba Facebook ayede ato. Ye de uko school. Enti who four theories of the press are there all can nyina ne say country bia wo kwan a ofo so ene the way aban ni si hu nsɛmtwerɛ adwuma.
Yeah.
Enti number 1, or say ye freba could be authoritarian theory. Authority. Authoritarian nature say on say government controls the press.
Enti untimi nya bibia wa bra aban ense nim aban ne hye de omonye.
Aban ne hye. Aban ne kyerɛ sɛ aban ne ka sɛ
nti untimi nka we untimi nye we aban de san hyehyɛ ne beba. Enti wahu kura na aban se untimi nka we ya untimi nka. Enti
ɛhɔ no de ɛkyɛ ne sɛ ɛhɔ no de wobɛtumi abie private radio station.
Yeah.
And aban so wɔ ne radio station. But nsɛm ni bi wɔ hɔ a untimi nka. Ti sɛ de yɛn yɛtimi ka.
Yeah.
Untimi nka saa deɛ no. And no saa theory ne fɛ no authoritarian theory.
Right.
A authority. Enti baabi te sɛ even Russia money na se for no. Russia so more private but usuro adeɛ bi wɔ ha wontimi nka. And no say ye wɔ deɛ aban ne control. And no deɛ yɛma wa kwanya ma wontimi yɛ deɛ wopɛ.
Yeah.
And no yɛ fɛ no libertarian which is liberty. Liberty ni kyerɛ sɛ ɛhɔ no obetimi akyerɛ wa adwen. Obetimi adidi president atem. Obetimi aka deɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔka. President betimi adi watem bi, unso betimi adi president atem bi. Ebi te sɛ USA. Ebi te sɛ Canada. Ɛne na busuafo ni nyinaa no. Those people no, on sentina Donald Trump timi yep one na CNN fo nso aye Donald Trump. Canada bi wɔ hɔ. So because ɔmo de ɔmo te aseɛ.
Yeah.
O te aseɛ. Good. Now libertarian no ɛna nkɔfo hu sɛ wo giant central for ɔmo bɛyɛ de ɔmo pɛ. Ebi bɛdi di atem. Ebi bɛyɛ de ɔmo pɛ. Enti ɛneɛ yɛ ma wa kwanya ma wa yɛ de ɔpɛ deɛ. Nanso fa adwene to ho. Ti adwene ne na yɛ the third one.
Yeah.
That be socially responsible. And into multimedia ɛbɛkyerɛ wo sɛ wo akwanya sɛ ɔbɛka no nanso wo ka hu ne sɛ asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a for national security yɛnka.
Yeah.
Nti wo gyina TikTok so a TikTok no wobɛtumi aka do ka na mmom nkɔgyina TikTok nka sɛ menya na nka John Mahama awu.
Yeah.
Because ɛwɔ sɛ ɔde adwene to so sɛ John Mahama president ɔwɔ abusua ɔyɛ president asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a yɛnka.
Yeah.
Men nkɔgyina hɔ nka sɛ me bompa yɛ sɛ na Akufo-Addo afru plane a ɔntem hwe na ɔnwu.
Yeah.
NDC ni bi yɛfrɛ no Hontɔ ɔyɛ nsɛntwerɛni. Na wɔ radio gold at that time na ne yɛka plane ho asɛm no. Na aberantɛ ne bɔ mpayɛ sɛ Nana Akufo-Addo fru plane a
ɔno so
ɔnwu. The same thing so na TikTok fo yi ɛyɛ MPP fo yi na bi bɔ mpayɛ sɛ John Mahama na nkɔmmenya na nka John Mahama ahye. Social responsibility bɛka kyerɛw sɛ ɔwɔ ho akwanya sɛ ka deɛ ɔpɛ. Nanso fa adwene to ho. Iti ɛhɔ no ɛna NMC National Media Commission ɛne NCA ɛne Minister of Communication ɔmo ba mu no to make sure sɛ woyɛ biribi ne nkɔ ya yɛbɛtumi atwe waso. Last one is Soviet communist and I say communist Soviet ɛhɔ deɛ yɛn kamera ɛna ɛyɛ North Korea ne China ne Cuba no ɛno no yɛni private radio station ɛno ne deɛ ɛyɛ aba president no na ɔyɛ editor. Nti aha nka bia multimedia ka yɛ John Mahama dia. Ti John Mahama yere betimi akan news. Ne ba betimi aba be kan news abɛyɛ ofie kwan so ɔmadiafa. Untimi nye bi. Nti dia aban no ka no wo bɛka deɛ wɔka news ni nyinaa free na so ɛyɛ.
Ɔna kyerɛ deɛ ɛkɔ.
Ɔna kyerɛ deɛ ɛkɔ.
Okay.
But Ghana, you were between libertarian and social responsibility.
Yeah.
Say, who are one queen say Kadiobeka? Name for Infiansa eto.
Yeah. Very important.
And no be na MPP for Nibi. Ko fantimoni wa Omako Kabibia. Yachi Omasu because Omako can send bia abroso.
Yeah.
And no be na NDC Nina no bomb pie set na Akufo-Addo nguso fruit planer. Near catching and no so yes sabi any cancer will boss empire no.
Yeah.
But this is where the Ghanaian space drew. For me, what I want to say in all these things is say I like the way say yes sanitizing system no.
Sure.
Because obi timi social media na waka bibia di watem. And also wotimi aka bibia nya no kre no waka fa ne ho adi. By this no ebema obi aye study say and the social media no te say the meti radio so untimi nkogina social media so nka asem bia unni ho ye betwe waso. But my challenge is that in democracy no we don't use RAMBO-Style. Kofi.
Yeah. Nana, very, very, very important. Say you're trimping for addresses. This is not the first time I come. There have been several arrests. In fact, you boy rank for them. I quite remember, say Reverend Intim for Georgia by Kanwasem when they went to the house. I mean, to me, the way the arrest also went and all that. So many arrest by Kanwasem following up with this one. I think say it should be lessons for the security services. Say ombeshe no maybe because nimo and to me wa etete wontoma na me nana de bia me kan say se be prosini bia okuani bia ni wa wokwafuom no so wokɔ no akɔpɛ bɔde ba akɔ wonkura sekan prosini bia ni soja ni ye treni omo se tuo ɛna omo de edi omo dwuma enti ye den a wokɔyɛ arrester you may carry a gun ɛno de abrochire US baby bia prosini ma obi ho so wo bɛkye no wa bra tuo nhye no etuo hye no ba ye de the man ye a bit different say as ye no tiabo frɛ no ne AK47 no agya nkɔ no kɛse no ebo kɛhyire no ekura wa na ye huhu nti wo ba fie ho na se fiefuo nyina adwane ɛne ma ne ha adwene ɛno na ya ama aye too obvious as a prosifo be hunahuna nkrofo fi but ideally see ye komu pa dia bambofo there is no country I because a police near they koya arrester they don't have a rightful and answer a gun because they don't know the things that will happen if you be between see which needs so more react and there's no protection for them it won't be carry through there but US near there side down a bohoki to bi or the nata they crowd the guso into who say to crash a police you know until say bibi be koso a ehias will defend no ho ananse omutimi ye bibi no matwetwo na pie atade eguso a who say person crash a police ni no no de ko and rightful and that is ade a omoye it's part of the ISOPs ontimi nkoya arrest without it but ye too much whilst you see 10 15 police officers etu akese wo famfam ko kehire die na ekurakura mo na de awura fie nkwala wo fie bi kura nye nyire ohutuo kura ne yam hyehye no na ya traumatize family no na ya dan ya niko in the name say ye kwa arrest you be and this is what we are preaching say IGP I mean there should be some kind of review of said you must arrest no na moko protocols wo wise follow SOPs in fact na woka invitation me, I don't know whether they invited this guy, who didn't go and I be at say Obama, or inviting us, or my inviting. Me police statement didn't state that, so my inviting on one call. But they know the processes. Say be also man invitation. So when I'm assist the investigation, now you can go on to arrest. But me no mean who so man can say be inviting or refusing. And that RAMBO-Style of arrest wasn't necessary. It wasn't necessary because you who any invitation which the person has refused. Now you better call with this RAMBO-Style. See a quack arrest in Nipano for on what grounds? And I believe say IGP, Yen Shasi, I mean side arms see, you bet me a start here, arrest and they should be using those things. Don't carry heavy guns within the community, traumatizing Crawford family near their day. And now on the other side, social media, meaning we've advanced in the media space. Social media now buying to me who be certain accounts, you bet me a control and
no, say who control accounts now, it means you are gagging freedom of speech. So there's always a fine balance between gagging but being responsible.
Yes, but Nana, I think said there are some individuals here. The way a man and no character on the social media space, certain accounts must be blocked. Because you na ye won panimfo pa wutumi se papa ni tiri ho abobe wa nkasa bio na ni tiri ho afudwene wanyini wutumi se ususu se asem obebie na no aka no se binyansa wo nana pa obebie na no no na ye de nkwala ebesua asai kura wo man ni mu de nkwala ebete ama na asai wo mu the next generation wo asai wo mu and such people consistently wo da so ye kura wo accounts no yes no man can't we control this?
We can. I think say what we can do two things. I was say and I've started it. Oko Krubiswa.
Yeah.
All accounts must have a certain proper register.
Okay.
Intisebi and Kagana Kada.
Okay.
And no na abino shese udi besi shenyumenim.
Yeah.
2. I was say ma wenim ba your identity.
issue and accounts now active.
And some accounts now active.
That should be the thing.
So that because they are crofobia me ma block on social media.
Yeah, they hide.
Obe create another accounts.
Yeah.
Ni di ma ni hwan ba no odi di watema no odi yebi.
Yeah.
Nti e wo se aban no yese before say o metimi ni Facebook akasa.
That is it.
Say Facebook and say TikTok whatever. In Ghana. So obi person obi accounts are.
Yeah.
E was say ebia ordene Ghana card. Some identity be edeba oti ase e kire say sebi wadi 18 oti ha okwa ha oye say the moment nipa ni be hu say Facebook na wo no ye betimi a trace you because recently asemba kwa ye di hu nkomo abrantie bi eyusu Nhyira FM sending message or threaten me any mebusia catch him say unyamia obekume as a CIA ka say police intelligence ye hu adwuma but now the difficulty is that the oye no ni tracing na den because we use accounts obetimi access accounts anytime
that's the challenge
nti ene te say na wo mobile phone na wo register no e wo say obi e wo Ghana no Ministry of Communication, Timini Facebook, ni other people say anybody be account no. And what's the first requirement? They say there's an identity, or Ghana card or something, a code, a special code be a beboashim. And yes, sir, our accounts name to me. In that case, no, say obi eko jina be na or kabibia. We can trade your ball link na me won come accounts na obi na Jantuah obi hu baby oye adwuma because me to me fa bibiansi but obi wo ho a obetena social media no adi watem o kwa akope na unhu no so we need to trace those people and make sure say abino can alter and go into the accounts and know say accounts way eye obroni dia but if you say oye adwuma wa ha okwa ha na busuafo ni let ask those kind of questions ni mfambie
very important.
Including their parents' name. To say their fill forms are your mother, your father, your siblings, next of kin. Are you married? How many children? Sanyoma Wayna must be a requirement. Abrochre. It maybe na Facebook.
Sure.
And WhatsApp. WhatsApp say first no. Now we didn't come out with me. And on US for say massa. Just Sanyoma no. And yes, I bet you. And to who shall say WhatsApp is encrypted. Encrypted say WhatsApp for to me whom come first no come to me whom to come to say Nancy Nhyira FM ya block bebre no unim because the community standard aba say untimi share bibia wo pe because e obi ajapade na wo share ye betimi atwe ye betimi de wa court into Nancy wo share bibia enko ya Facebook be block you aka cho say dwumade ye akoko adia into wasa illegal into Facebook betimi ayenhye aboa Ghana through some judge and I trust him that henceforth so baby a TikTok account so baby
we should
for our identity ebeshem obey sa no ebema nkrofo mu gina Facebook and na se for di nkrofo atem no obetimi a trace no akwache no
Nana, it will even control Omusubai on the social media, no, and that is what we're calling for. Say, the communications ministry and the other ministry involved, no, Omun Kambumuna, Nana, sa steps we omun take because Obi who's an identity and Nani BB show up a bit me up picking it up easily. Omun Koshasi and yes, I will hide it and walk a cancer and semfra. And we see so many accounts are almost yes, I didn't know. If you cry issue threat, said they be threatening we any day, which causes panic and fear. In the lives of others, illegal, a crime. These people should be apprehended by a company because they've hidden themselves around some account to be no more yes or no man. And I think that social media, no see in Ghana, it needs to be controlled. Some penny for crano sebe, kaiti say we ne na crano sebe obuga in fear education. So what social media so no kasa sebe previous as we jana adwene baby and oba abekasa social media no so. And those things are uncalled for. I think say the ministry must take charge. But Nana, one thing they say, you say this is the new media. Abeka ye hodie. We are all utilizing it sebebua society. But once when you opportunity to use the social media, more maso say is either you are giving proper information, educating, and answer bia ukra ma source of encouragement. But betna social media so now we are there. Ebema society ni mu ejija ebe koso ntawantawa ne ade a hye hunu say enye o man ba padwumadie na wo die no. And of course I will plead with the mpanimfoɔ say ye momode na de ya kan omunye ne yencheche sankrofo ne to deter others omuso pese omu create such account to do those things no so be stopping nana.
All right, Nhyira 104.5 and then ye extensive education say Ghana no ye practice theory minu which is libertarian say utimi ye de opɛ se see anyini first no na ye wo be friend criminal libel law and no de na jeje bre so no o kasa problem timi ba yen papa omampanyin kufo anda na ekufo ado na ye yi sa de ni free ho nti se na obi atimi kire na adwen ba na ba bia ye duru ne se obi atimi kire na adwen but ya abroso o ti ase and last time na me ka kire even this aban benefited from say obi timi tena ni social media so no we didi obi atem nipa ni timi didi menhia atem didi obi atem this aban benefit from it. And this is my worry. Ye nyan krofo a omutimi tena platform so na omu declare say omu support NDC. But no edidia kodidia didi menhia edidi atem and they benefit from it, they don't talk about it. And this is dangerous. And I think say economic say it's good to say aban so wa close wound to me because of Emra.
Yeah.
But say aban was our problem now. You were NDC platform be brain so omudi didi nsem I was say aban so man anibre because say wo close wound to me because what can say me and answer we should say Emra kwan so now dey ya. Yemfa the same mra non kase. NDC platforms ye ni mo mutimi tena say didi MPP phones what them no. They should stop.
Yeah. Now say YouTube ni ade kra na Jeff mo na wo so kra mo nim those things that ye wo words bi wo ho a untumi type wo YouTube you say wo de ye wo title and say wo de to so and social media even Facebook a bit say blood untumi spelling the fool a bit say be a shoot to kill shoot untumi spelling the fool just because they want to say words no ade o mu fin say I know yet dinner any say use even within the social media all typing on machine there are things that you should also be cautious about to type. Banana ye jaima obia kasa ye culture ni enim ye twi kasa no yenim de ye ne de enye eji obi kan it means a way there and number bi enye why don't we control it there we can two spaces ni nyina ye and the politicians both parties are benefiting from it. And one thing is that say ye leaders I want memu say my pennyfo say wo mo I mean the ministry say show mo say so man control say de no and they be free of front so beba or no so be use the same thing against you. It is saying ye be ko pan for been to stringent measures be say there oh yeah say ne be ye name pokra parliament ne be pass sam na ye titwi kasa nti uka twi na the meaning echo say ya ye be mamra ni wadi and those things will sanitize the system.
Na no ye di enkomo bi wa ha so be kaya ayum na enye easy omo bridge nye ye kan wan say me ne regional minister me na was ade no because na bridge no de bia na ha me ti every week bia me say mpacho me so honorable minister me so ayum de me so de bia was na mate because na a bridge a connect simple omo ko se wa omo free yi e ba bosomtwe a te se bridge no mpanyifo bebre kra to a omo kra gigi sika kakra na omo nya na ye problem
yeah
aban na e wo se oye no wan fi omo